missing someone.
Hey, what's up you guys, it's Jocelyn. Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I was gonna finally show you guys my skincare routine slash like my shower routine. I don't know if that sounds weird, but anyways. So yeah, my skin has finally been clearing up a little bit, so I was like, might as well show you guys what I do, the products I use. Hopefully they'll help you if you're struggling with acne and all that other stuff. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below other video suggestions because I'm literally open to any of your guys' suggestions. And yeah, let's just get started. Okay, hi. Welcome to my bathroom. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the stuff I use in the shower because a lot of my skincare routine takes place in the shower. Like I wash my face in the shower, everything like that. So I'm gonna show you guys the products I use. So for my face, I like to use this Clearasil 12-hour rapid repair acne wash. It's honestly worked so well for me, and I kind of switch up what I use a lot. Sometimes I'll switch from like clean and clear products to like that apricot scrub. It like honestly depends like how my skin is. And for shampoo, I use this argan oil from Morocco shampoo. It's just a repairing shampoo, and yeah, it smells really good. And then for conditioner, I just use this Aussie Total Miracle conditioner. I've been using this conditioner for a long time now. And then for body wash, I use this Bath & Body Works Aqua Burst body wash. Tyler's mom actually got it for me for Christmas, so if you're watching, Anne-Marie, thank you. That's kind of like the products I use in the shower. I like to switch them up a lot. Okay, so after my shower, I like to do my hair kind of routine after my shower. So this all depends on my hairstyle I want the next day or like later this afternoon. So if I'm going for a more wavy, beachy, natural kind of hairstyle, then I'm gonna use this Not Your Mother's sea salt spray. This stuff smells like so good. It smells like tanning oil, but like the good kind of smelling tanning oil, like the banana boat kind. And yeah, so I'm just gonna brush my hair and then spray this all around. Okay, so this is my hair. It's kind of just gonna air dry, and then when it's done drying, you'll be completely like wavy, and it'll look really cute and good and natural. So after I'm done with doing my hair, I like to put on lotion before I go to bed. I don't really like to put on lotion because then it'll get like stuck to my sheets and it's like really annoying. But if I do decide to wear lotion, I'm going to wear the hyaluronic acid hydrating body cream from Bath & Body Works. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this on my legs, on my arms. Okay, so after I'm done with the lotion and everything, I like to sometimes put on a face mask. This one specific face mask that I use literally cleared my skin so much. So it is a clean and clear cleansing clay mask. This stuff is amazing, and I highly recommend it. So to apply it, I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. brush. Kind of has like a flat end, and it looks like this. It's just white, and I'm just going to put it on my acne spots. This stuff is amazing, and it feels amazing when it's drying. It kind of like cools your face in a way. I don't know, it feels really nice. So another thing I really like to do is kind of moisturize my lips and exfoliate my lips. I found these two little lip scrubs at Kohl's. They were like super cheap. I think they were like $1 or $2 each. And this lip scrub is just rainbow sherbet. I'm pretty sure they spell sherbet wrong. And then this other one's pineapple coconut. I think I'm gonna use the pineapple coconut one today. And when you're done, my favorite thing is that you can just lick it off. So that basically completes my entire hair and skin cleansing routine. Okay, so that is it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what skincare products you use. I will see you guys next week. Peace.